I'm in my beanie era now because I'm sad.
Who's your bias?
Ano ba bias?
Ang kilala ko lang dyan si si Sakuragi.
Sino yun? Ba't may alam kang ganon?
Si Sakuragi.
Hey yo, y'all can't stand right here. In his right hand was your man's worst nightmare. Loud enough to burst his right eardrum close range. The game is not only dangerous, but it's most strange. I sell rhymes like Dom, the one who most...
Wow!
Wala kang mic jack?
Pero naririnig yan.
Ah, okay. Hindi mo chinarge?
Hindi, nandiyan yung mic ko. Hindi ko na kinabit.
Oh!
Hindi kasi ako kabit. First time ko babiyahin ng walang AirPods.
Kasi wala.
Nawala din.
Nawala?
Sa bahay, nawala.
Ayun na.
Who's your bias?
Ano ba bias?
Ang kilala ko lang dyan si si Sakuragi.
Sino yun? Ba't may alam kang ganon?
Si Sakuragi, yung sumisikat ngayon eh.
Sino yun?
Yung nag-volleyball?
Akin yan. As a volleyball player. That's just too vanilla for me.
This will be fire with
Yeah, with your volleyball player?
Sabi ko siya lang kilala ko. Yun lang sinabi ko.
I wonder why.
Lagi siya na sa idea sa FB eh.
Yan na yung volleyball player mo na kumakanta.
Ganda ng base na to, no?
Yeah, like your volleyball player?
Why did we buy something this big?
Because you said so.
Nilahati mo, no?
Uy, you were eating most of that kaya. When I ate it was just like right here. Tapos balik mo sa akin dito na.
Pinapantay ko lang.
Ayan na yung volleyball player mo makanta. Ayoko na, nagagalit na ako. Tama na.
Bakit ako natadamay dyan?
Tama na. Tinanong niya kumain ka na ba? Lagi na umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi lang
hanggang sa kama. Ano na naman? May tubig kayo dito, oh.
Hindi malinis yan.
Kanina to?
Babe, it's been there for so long time. I have to throw them out. You always put... No!
I want to taste it! Stop!
Babe!
I just want to taste it if it's good. If it's good, I'll drink
You
it.
are...
Kaya na to. It's yours.
Okay
na!
Bukang malala na.
Ikaw, malala ka na. This is what I have to deal with every day.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. O ano ba ang nadarama? Huwag nang palikoy, likoy, likoy, palikoy, likoy, papwede ba? Huwag ka nang pala yan. At huwag nang
Kaliwaboy!
Tinignan mo pa.
Go. The food, guys, gonna rate it 8.5 out of 10. It's good. And the place is good. Nice, very static. Siguro mga 7.5 yung place, guys. Ganda naman siya. Nga lang. Maraming tao. Good place. Hi bro, say hi to the vlog. Guys!
Okay, my rate for Bazooka is...
Please muna, please.
The place? 7.5.
Guys, sabi niya 6. Bakit 6, bro? Bakit 6?
Parang ano eh, parang pinilit nila yung setup eh.
It's kind of cool. Makita mo sa logo. Dito, makikita mo na.
Maganda naman. Ako lang yung choosy, pero okay naman. Ito po ang manager nila dito.
Manager po namin for Chroma Saturday.
10 out of 10.
Saturday basketball.
Saturday basketball.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10 shooting.
Classic.
These two guys. Number 7, Bruce Sonar. And
Number 7,
8,
Bruce Sinar.
Number 1,
Shooting percentage. Mas mababa sa...
Guys, wait for our comeback. They'll see us soon. Be careful out there, ladies.
Be careful what you wish.
Guys, dalawang beses ko pinanis yung pinas break ako kanina.
Sheesh!
Because you know why? He can freaking guard me. No one can guard me in that league.
No one is guarding us because
No.
we're not scoring. No one is guarding you because you're in the freaking bench.
No one can guard us because we can't shoot. It's over yun. Magagano ko.
Boom! Boom!
Guys,
Wala pang bantay yan.
just wait for my comeback.
Wala pang bantay yan.
Don't let me
Now
get
you see me?
comfortable.
Now you do.
Now you see me? Now you do even more.
check.
Bro, why do
Don't.
you think you played bad today? Tell.
Guys, we played bad because first of all, I did not get enough sleep. Second of all, I freaking suck. I just suck, bro. If you guys subscribe to our channel, we'll be giving away
2 iPhones?
2 iPhones. iPhone 15 from Timo.
It only costs 50 dirhams.
Wala namang sinabi kung saan bibilin yung